Okay, second topic is accommodation in Belgium. So Sri Lanka we have seen. Sri Lanka means what was the result? That civil war took place. Only we just discussed a limited point so that you can understand the story. When on the basis of majoritarianism, the government took the decision, and what happened? The result was that they neglected 26% of population, and it was the result of conflict in the country, riots in the country, civil war in the country. Now, accommodation in Belgium. Accommodation means adjustment. Adjustment means adjustment. People means government try to adjustment among the communities, like what they did in the country. So Belgium leaders took a different path. Means when we compare from Sri Lanka, they recognize the existence of regional differences in cultural diversities. They knew that there were the difference people between 70s and 93. Means you can see the year 70s, then 80s, then 90s, means more than 20 years. They amended their constitution 4 times. In 20 years, the constitution, 23 years, the constitution changed 4 times. Why it changed? To make adjustment so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together in the same country. The purpose behind that means in a country, people should live together. They wanted the split could take place, but this was not the solution of any problem. Like we can have an example of the partition of India and Pakistan because of some wrong decision. The decision was taken that this you can say division of India and Pakistan. Till today, what we are facing, everyone knows. So they could also took the decision, like means they could divide the country, but they did not do this. The 4 times they amended the constitution, and so the work out arrangement and would able to everyone live together with the same country, and the arrangement they work out is different from any other country, is very innovative. This was an innovative strategy. Innovative means first time it had been done in any history of the country. Here are some of the elements of the Belgian model. So what happened at that time? Only 3-4 points we have to consider what had happened. Firstly, the constitution prescribed that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in central government. Now the constitution, because in democracy constitution is having its own importance. So what the constitution will say, the people will follow the system. Now constitution prescribed that Dutch speaking and French speaking ministers, means people elect their own ministers and leaders, so they will be equal in central and central government. Central governments in central, like central you can understand, like means from union. If we are saying like this time our government, like Modi government, is the central government. So central government means both will be the candidate, like Dutch and French speaking. Some special laws required to support majority of members from each linguistic group. Thus, single community can make decision unilaterally. Unilaterally means unilaterally means single, any party, any community, any leader cannot take singly any decision. Many powers for central government have been given the state government and the two regions of the country. The state government are not subordinate to the central government. In simple word, you can understand that decentralization. If you remember in 8th class you read, decentralization means power was shared. Like the central government was already there, but another two regional government were formed, and they are not subordinate to the central government. Means they were not subordinate, means they have their own freedom, they have their own you can say decision making power. They were not every time answerable to the central government. They have their own freedom. So this is the meaning of that particular this point, that means the government of two region of the country, the state government are subordinate to the central government. Third is that Brussels. Brussels, we knew that the capital Brussels, there was the opposite system, like who were the population more in the country were less in the Brussels, and who were less in the country, they were more in the Brussels. So Brussels has a separate government in which both communities have equal representation. The French-speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels because the Dutch-speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Hope you understand. Brussels is a separate government, like our country Delhi, separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. Means equal representation, like for Dutch speaking and French speaker, they have equal representation. French speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels because of the Dutch speaking community has accepted. Means mutual understanding. If you want to understand this paragraph, the word you can understand, mutual understanding means both the party don't have any objection, means they want it, okay, it is good for the sake of country, for the betterment. Means firstly the adjustment, the feeling of adjustment should be there. If people are adjusted, means the problem can be solved. So they adjusted them, they accommodated themselves, means equal participation was there. So community has accepted equal representation in the central government. Okay, till here we take this video, otherwise it will be lengthy. In another one, I'll read the third point.